It's time to explore something magical. Relax your mind. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Imagine, if you can, what it would be like to walk along an endless path. A place where the sunlight shines brighter. Where behind each door handle is something incredible. Something surprising. Let your mind take this place from day to dusk. Very few people are able to imagine something so grand. Take yourself outside where you have space to relax, to entertain, to think, to be present. Breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out. It's hard to imagine so many outdoor spaces full of life and calmness that always find a way to connect back inside and then back outside. Now elevate your imagination to brightness, to a sanctuary away from everything, because that's where we are, a sanctuary. Like a tranquil refuge from a busy city, this place is home, where the light will always find you, no matter where you may stand or where you may rest. Slow down, take your time, breathe in, breathe out. This is the Penthouse at the Allegro, 62 West 62nd Street. It can be your sanctuary.